Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Sezzle virtual card online. So there are two ways through which you can do this. The first one is shopping outside the Sezzle app. So in this method, what you'll have to do is simply open the Sezzle app and click on Sezzle virtual card option. It will show make a purchase request. Simply click on it. Or you can also click on the virtual card at the bottom and select make a purchase request. Now enter the amount you plan to spend and tap continue. After you do this, read loan terms and continue if agreed. Now, when you click complete, it will show another page where you can use the virtual card at any merchant checkout or terminal. Now, if you want to use it online inside the Sezzle application, what you can do is simply open your Sezzle application, click a store in the Sezzle app and tap pay with Sezzle. Enter the amount you plan to spend and tap continue. Now, read loan terms and continue if agreed and enter virtual card details at merchant checkout. So, these were the ways through which you can use a Sezzle virtual card online. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.